Hey! Hello! Hi, everyone! Now, I got some cool stuff from the Wally Mart. I got this nice little mat here that we're gonna check out. Okay. And I finally got me one of these knapsacks. I don't know what you call them, but they're the string backpack. So I'm excited to use that. Also, because it helps me keep my water. Now my keys, so I don't have to carry those around with me when I'm on the nature trails and hiking. Ooh. Now, I didn't bring my little coat. It's kind of a little chill out from the thunderstorms. It's okay. It's okay. Little thick ground. The rain, it's okay, the ground needed it. Like I said, we're all dry, honey. The ground needed the moisture. The trees definitely did for sure. They drank it all up, it looks like. Because definitely it looks like things have been brought back to life out here. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. It really looks like I'm going to sleepaway camp. They're gonna be like, I'm just kidding, nobody's gonna say anything, but it does look like I'm just out going to find a new home, which I might be. Who knows? Who knows? How is everybody doing? How was your day? You know what I didn't count on? Okay, well, it's not gonna get dark until we say it gets dark. Thank you. Whoosh. I am excited, though, to see how this works out. It's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Oh. Yeah, it looks a lot greener out here. Not as dry and decrepit. Hey! Hey, bro! Hey, bro! Hey! I really am disturbing the birds and all. Coming out here to throw a party in the woods. Also, let me know. Ow! It's going pretty good. It's going pretty good. I want to know, has anybody ever done these pull-ups? Because the other day when I was walking out here and I came back to this, I really did try. I really did. That's cool. I really did try to do those pull-ups, and it was not going to work for me. But now that I think about it, though, they did have some outside. Yes. They do have a picnic table out more towards the front. But then they have that random pull-up bar there. And that's why I felt enticed to try. And yeah, the last time I remember seeing people actually use pull-up bars was when I was in college outside of the student union building. And that was like really mostly 40-year-old men with muscles. But so I didn't know. My point was, I don't know, I guess pull-up bars are for anyone, but I don't know. Have you ever used one? That was my point. It's really, well, I came to the other side of this nature reserve because, ooh, okay, looks nice. So, okay, so you do use them though. Okay, so it is a thing. Okay. I'm just kidding. I think I would need to accomplish the push-ups first before trying the pull-ups. That might be a thing. I'm getting there. But this whole nature reserve thing. No, I'm in Texas. But this whole nature reserve thing is one big parcel of land, and there's like 2 entry points. The Oregon Trail, honey. No. Look, I love the little nature tidbits though. The learning factors. Oregon. Turk's Cap. Also super helpful in finding your way out. So you learn and you have markers. Very beneficial. But this is the what I would say the north side of the entrance. Okay, so I thought, no, these are actually very informative, and they do have an app for these trails specifically. I haven't used it, but they do have an app for it, and I guess it tells you even more details, and it walks you through it. Maybe I should try that out one day. But this stuff's really informative. It really gave me some insight. Also took me back to, like, look, this was one of the first ones I read and I was shook. This is red bay, and you crush the leaves to make bay leaf spices. So, like, literally stuff you find in nature can be used for cooking, which is, not so it. Oh, a cardinal. Oh, wait, where'd you go? Oh, come back. Oh, there you are. Nice. Nice. There you can see. Beautiful. That's the second one I've seen today so far. Ah! No, not the mosquitoes. I was just complaining about that, but for real, I've been getting attacked by mosquitoes. And I haven't even I've been cutting out the sugar so mosquitoes stop eating me. Thank you, Brody. I hope you have a blessed day too. Friend. But yeah, reading that sign about the red bay made me realize, not just survivalists can use stuff in nature to live off the land. Anybody can. Oh, thanks for the follow, Brody. Anybody can use stuff in nature. Frick yeah. And then I was really shook about this sweet gum. See, now I'm going to be stopping at every one again. But the sweet gum, these little things, I thought they were acorns my whole life. And they're also used for chewing gum. The sap in it is used for chewing gum. Yeah. And we used to just throw these at each other, and I thought they were called acorns. And then the wood in it is used for flooring, railroad ties, paper, pulp, veneers. Okay. Which is, I thought that, I'm confused about that. But, whatever. That's nice though. We saw a beautiful red cardinal. See, when I get quiet, you can hear all the birds. Or at least one beautiful bird. And there's my favorite little chair stump, even though they did cut the tree down for it. It gives very mountain cabin, history museum. See, look, it looks like fall out, doesn't it? I've just been feeling like it's been very fall vibes rather than spring. Ooh. That's pretty. Nice. Oh, no more mosquito. I feel like there really is such a difference of this end of the nature reserve versus the other. And we are gonna make that hike. Listen, we are gonna make that the hike. I don't know about the 13 miles, but definitely this is like 7, 8. And then the holly. Yeah, the leaves were have been used ceremonially by Native Americans as a purgative called the black drink. The source name vomitoria. And it's because of the small amount of caffeine. So yeah. For all the healthies out there. Although I get it. It really is hard to find a balance with cutting out certain things from your diet. This place has been so packed with people lately, and now it's like, what? The bird said yes. They've had their home to themselves. Sweet birdies. Okay, wait. I don't want to go through the lake part today, or the stream part of it, because of the rain yesterday. The southern magnolia. And that was interesting that it was named after the French. Oh yeah, but this was the so funny one. When the plant is young, it has smooth bark, but as it gets older, the bark becomes more scaly. And that's like all the racist bitter people. They just get old and bitter. Very angry. But it's not for us to worry about now, is it? Ooh, I'm surprised the water got so high just with one day's rain. That's crazy. And it was like all around too, but the ground seems to soaked it up pretty good. Not to go on about rain, but it's just fascinating the way nature works. Ooh, see? That is high. Ow, I think a freaking ant just got in my shoe. Oh my gosh. Yeah, covered the whole little trail there. Huh. Man, that's crazy because it's supposed to rain more. At least it gave the ground time to soak it all up before. What? What? Gabriel? Ja? What? God, is that you? Sending me signs? Interesting. Well, I guess the Archangel Gabriel's here with us. Amen. Okay, see, look. Is there are alligators in there? I bet. Still to be determined. We will find out one day. Maybe it was a little bit over, I was a little bit overestimating the amount of sun. For a nice coloring, but I don't. Let's hope. Let's hope not. Let's hope that we have a nice amount of time. All is well. Yeah. It smells like bananas. Scared the crap out of me. I think that. Oh, it's that way. Okay. Just making sure we don't end up in the little pond. Heck yeah, a lot more damp over here. I just heard a big splash. It's like I went in. It keeps splashing. It's like I went into the low swamp area. And now the bugs are attacking my head. No! Yeah, I'd be scared to walk past that in the dark, so. Oh. It's actually flowing nicely though. Nice. Okay. A little bit more muddy. See, now I'm thinking that maybe we hike back and then drive to the park that I was going to. Because I know it's gonna get dark soon. And it is getting very lost in the swamp. I feel like I'm in Louisiana right now, or Florida. Oh my, that water is high. It is never up this high. Like usually it's all the way down to the bottom of these rock quarry thing. Ooh. Ooh. What's... Things are moving in the water. Yo. I feel like I'm in... What was that movie? Snakes on a Plane? I feel like I'm about to be eaten by an army of snakes or alligators. I'm so serious. It sounds like all those war movies where they're in the jungle and freaking Guerrilla warfare. What? Like what? Now this would be the time to go fishing in the creek though. I'm tangled in webs. Tangled in webs. I'm just looking at, taking it all in. Looking at the sky. What? Like, okay. Like, she's all the way up there. That's like a good 4 feet extra. Four to 6. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. I like seeing the river actually flowing though. The creek actually flowing. Rather than at a dead standstill. Hey! Is that a loon? Loony! Loony! Loon! See? He called back. Oh. Beautiful tree. That is a nice classic tree. Nice. Are you... Can this not... Okay. I'm thinking that I do that where I... Is that people or is that animals? I'm thinking that I do that where I turn around. And then we drive to the park on the other side. to start our nice coloring time, because I did not think we would really be out in the swamp today. I did not think we would be out in the swamp, and I don't have a net or any kind of place. It's gonna get a little bit dark soon, and we don't want that. We don't want me lost out here in the swamp getting eaten by alligators. That would be very upsetting to me and to you. Look, those birds are fighting. I'm just kidding. They're just chatting. Hey, girl. Hey. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Over the bridge and through the woods, to grandmother's house we go. Ooh. Plus, it is spring, and this lady told me this sad story about her puppy. It was freaking. I don't even want to bring it up. I don't want to call into existence. Yeah. Ooh. Slipping and sliding in mud. I never realized how many spider webs are just out there hanging in the air. Like, I swear I never walked into as many. It really does look pretty though. They do look nice and moisturized. Beautiful little rainforest. Okay. And now I wonder how high the water is on the other side of the creek. Okay, we're back at the pond. it smells like fall. It's pretty. Okay. Why did he yell at me? Gorge. The leaves are so pretty. Thank you, green leaves. It gets dark way too early. It's very annoying. Very unfortunate. You know what? Alright. I just realized there's 2 parks that we could go to. So we'll check out this one first. And if not, then we'll go to the other one. I don't know if this one has lighting. But I know for sure the other one does. Here's the winged elm, I think. Actually, no, I think that just has pretty leaves. Let's see, that's one of the other things I learned from the handy guides and markers here on the trail.